Today I am going to talk about the Samsung S9. So friends, what is my opinion about Samsung S9? So friends, today I am going to talk about all the things that I like in S9 and the bad things that I like in S9. Okay friends, so obviously this video is about pros and cons of S9 friends. So first of all, I want to talk about the smartphone. The S9 is one of the best smartphone out there in 2018, at least for some of time. Friends, it has a beautiful display that everyone is seeing out here friends. Last year, like 2017, the Samsung S8 has doing a very well job in 2018 also friends, but this is 2018. We want something else from the 2017. We want something new from 2017. So they made a new smartphone. Its name is Samsung S9, and there are two variants, that are Samsung S9 and S9 Plus. So friends, today I am going to talk about the Samsung S9 friends. It has a best smartphone of 2018 that I am thinking that friends. My thinking is like that. It is my opinion friends. So let me start today's vlog. So friends, first of all I am going to talk about the color that are available in the Samsung S9 friends. It is midnight black, coral blue, Leica purple, something like that friends. There are 3 or 4 colors available for the S9 and S9 Plus model. So what about the phone internal? First of all I like the internal of the smartphone. It has a Snapdragon 845 processor and the Exynos processor also. It is also running an Exynos processor also. What is the RAM about Samsung S9? So it is running on Snapdragon 845 with a 4GB of RAM and 64GB of base storage, and it can go up to 256GB of high-end storage friends. Okay, so then what about the other things about this smartphone? It has an 18:9 display. The display is Quad HD Plus Super AMOLED display. It is one of the best display out there in the market, like iPhone X8. Samsung is always a good part in display, making the smartphone display. It has very crisp and clear display out there friends, like the very deep black colors in the display friends. So the next thing what I have to talk about is the connectivity. So it has everything, every other connectivities and every sensor that available in a flashy smartphone. So the other things that I like in this phone is its camera. It has a dual camera. It has a single camera smartphone. It is a 12 megapixel camera and 1.5 aperture. Okay. The front shooter is of 8 megapixel and it is 1.7 aperture. Yeah friends, it is a pretty nice camera smartphone. I like the camera of the smartphone friends. It has a very nice quality images you can take. So there are different modes in the smartphone. You can take some customize the camera for like the Pro mode and some other different modes. So what about the all over about the smartphone? Yeah, friends, it is a very nice damn smartphone that you all are looking to buy. I am not thinking this is a major upgrade for 2018. I don't like this much of this smartphone because it has something about some mistakes. Yes ma'am, it has some mistakes about this smartphone, like not a minor change, but it has everything that we need in a flagship smartphone, like water resistant and dual and the best camera out there and 848 processor, everything like that friends. Though all the way like the smartphone itself, it is one of the best smartphone out there. It is very beautiful smartphone for a normal user or a hard user like, but it has a battery of 3000 milliampere battery friends. Yeah, it has a 3000 milliampere battery, I think so. Yeah, so yeah, it has a 3000 milliampere battery. So what are the other things about the smartphone? Officially, I like this smartphone. It is coming above 50,000 in Indian market above the base variant. It is cost of 57,000. It is not bad price, friends. It is not a bad price. Okay, it is not a bad price. Yeah, it is affordable for a smartphone like this. So this is my opinion about Samsung S9. Okay friends, what is your thinking and the opinion? Please comment me down below. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe to my channel down below.